Hello video editors. After extensive research, we are delighted to share with you our list of the top 5 best PC for 4K video editing. Now I know what you're thinking, why do I need a special PC for video editing? Well, let's dive in and have some fun while we explain. Imagine making a sandwich. A regular PC is like using a butter knife to slice bread. It works but takes forever. A high-performance editing PC is like having a super-powered bread slicer, fast and precise, saving you tons of time. Ever tried juggling while riding a unicycle? That's what editing 4K videos on a standard PC feels like. With a specialized PC, it's more like juggling on a stable platform, smooth and efficient. You want your videos to look crisp and professional, right? These PCs ensure your edits, effects, and transitions are as smooth as your dance moves at a party. Like adding toppings to your pizza, you can upgrade these PCs with more RAM, better graphics, or additional storage to match your growing needs. Different people have different needs, so make sure to stay till the end to figure out which PC best matches your requirements. For more information on any of the PCs for 4K video editing in this video, please use the links in the description box down below. I'd add any discounts I could possibly get you on these links. ASUS ROG Strix GA15 Best Gaming and Editing Hybrid. This is product number 5 on my list, which is my choice for the best gaming and editing hybrid. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 is an absolute beast when it comes to combining gaming and video editing capabilities. Imagine having a sleek, powerful machine that handles everything from rendering high-resolution videos to running the latest AAA games without breaking a sweat. First off, let's talk performance. The Strix GA15 packs a punch with its AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor, which boasts impressive speeds and efficiency. Whether you're editing a 4K video or multitasking between heavy applications, this processor keeps everything running smoothly. Add to that 32 gigabytes of RAM, and you have a system that can handle intense workloads with ease. The graphics performance is where this PC truly shines. Equipped with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080, the Strix GA15 delivers stunning visuals and fast rendering times. This makes it ideal for both gaming and video editing, providing a seamless experience whether you're working or playing. Storage is another area where the Strix GA15 excels. It comes with a 1TB NVMe Express SSD, which offers lightning-fast boot and load times, ensuring that you can access your files and applications in a snap. Plus, there's plenty of space for all your projects and games. However, no product is without its flaws. Some users have noted that the PC can get quite noisy under heavy loads, and the lack of additional storage options might be a downside for those who require extensive space for large files. Additionally, the price point might be a bit steep for casual users, but for those needing a robust system for both gaming and editing, it's worth the investment. Alienware Aurora R10 Ryzen Best for professional video editors. This is product number 4 on my list, which is my choice for the best for professional video editors. The Alienware Aurora R10 Ryzen is a powerhouse, perfect for those who take their video editing seriously. Imagine having a machine that not only handles the most demanding editing tasks with ease, but also offers a sleek, futuristic design that looks great in any workspace. Let's dive into the specs. The heart of this beast is the AMD Ryzen 7 5800 processor, which provides incredible multi-threading performance. It's like having a team of processors working together, ensuring smooth and fast rendering of 4K videos. Coupled with 16 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking becomes a breeze, allowing you to run editing software, browser tabs, and other applications simultaneously without any lag. Graphics-wise, the Aurora R10 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with the AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT, which is perfect for handling high-resolution video projects and providing real-time previews without stutter. This GPU is not only powerful but also supports advanced features like ray tracing, which can be a game-changer for visual effects and 3D rendering. One of the standout features is its customizable RGB lighting, adding a touch of personal flair to your setup. Plus, the chassis design ensures optimal airflow, keeping the system cool even during intensive editing sessions. However, it's not all perfect. Some users have reported that the fans can get quite loud under heavy loads, which might be distracting in a quiet workspace. Additionally, the price tag is on the higher side, which might be a barrier for some, but considering the performance and features, it's a worthy investment for professionals. HP Envy 34C 0050 Best All-in-One. This is product number 3 on my list, which is my choice for the best all-in-one. The HP Envy 34C 0050 is a fantastic all-in-one desktop that brings elegance and performance together in a sleek package. Imagine having a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor that not only looks stunning but also boosts your productivity with its expansive screen real estate. This all-in-one PC is perfect for video editors who need both power and style in their setup. First off, the display. The 34-inch 5K 5120 by 2160 IPS screen is a dream for any creative professional. It offers vibrant colors and sharp details, making your 4K video projects look incredibly lifelike. The ultra-wide aspect ratio provides ample space for multitasking, allowing you to have multiple windows open simultaneously without feeling cramped. Under the hood, the HP Envy 34C 0050 packs a punch with its Intel Core i7-11700 processor. This 8-core CPU ensures smooth performance, even when handling intensive tasks like video rendering and editing. Coupled with 32 GB of RAM, multitasking becomes effortless. You can run multiple applications, edit high-resolution videos, and browse the web without experiencing any lag. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card is another highlight, delivering excellent performance for video editing and even some gaming on the side. This GPU ensures fast rendering times and smooth playback of high-resolution footage, making your editing workflow more efficient. One of the standout features of the HP Envy 34C 0050 is its design. The sleek, minimalist look with a built-in wireless charging pad and Bang & Olufsen speakers adds a touch of luxury to your workspace. The all-in-one design also means fewer cables and a cleaner desk setup. However, there are a few downsides. Some users have reported that the integrated speakers, while decent, may not be powerful enough for those who require high-quality audio output for professional work. Additionally, the all-in-one nature of the device means limited upgradability compared to traditional desktop setups. Overall, the HP Envy 34C 0050 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful and stylish all-in-one PC that excels in video editing and everyday tasks. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Lenovo Legion Tower 5 iGen 8 most affordable. This is product number 2 on my list, which is my choice for the most affordable. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5 iGen 8 is an excellent choice for those who need a powerful machine without breaking the bank. Imagine getting high-end performance at an affordable price. That's exactly what this desktop offers. Firstly, let's talk about the core of the system, the Intel Core i7 13th Gen processor. With this powerhouse under the hood, you can expect smooth and efficient performance for both video editing and gaming. The 16 GB of DDR5 RAM ensures that multitasking is a breeze, whether you're editing 4K videos or running multiple applications simultaneously. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card is another standout feature. This GPU provides robust performance for rendering and editing high-resolution videos, as well as delivering an excellent gaming experience. It's perfect for those who need a machine that can handle both professional workloads and entertainment. Storage is ample with a 512 GB SSD. The SSD ensures fast boot times and quick access to your frequently used files and applications. The design of the Lenovo Legion Tower 5 iGen 8 is also worth mentioning. It has a sleek, modern look with customizable RGB lighting, which adds a touch of personal flair to your setup. The tower also offers good ventilation to keep the system cool during intensive tasks. However, like any product, it has its cons. Some users have noted that the system can get quite loud under heavy loads, which might be a bit distracting in a quiet workspace. Additionally, while the 16 GB of RAM is sufficient for most tasks, professional editors working with very large projects might find themselves needing an upgrade. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5 iGen 8 is a fantastic value for money, offering a great balance of performance, storage, and design. It's perfect for those who want a capable and affordable desktop for video editing and gaming. Dell Precision 3660 best overall. This is product number 1 on my list, which is my choice for the best overall. The Dell Precision 3660 stands out as a top-notch choice for anyone serious about 4K video editing. Imagine having a reliable workhorse that not only handles your most demanding projects but also ensures a smooth and efficient workflow. Starting with its core, the Dell Precision 3660 is powered by an Intel Core i7-13700 processor. This CPU is a beast when it comes to multitasking and handling complex tasks, making it perfect for video editing, rendering, and more. With 64 GB of RAM, the system can effortlessly juggle multiple applications, ensuring that your editing software runs smoothly even when you're working with high-resolution footage. One of the standout features is the NVIDIA Quadro T1000 graphics card. This workstation-grade GPU is specifically designed for professional applications, providing robust performance for rendering and real-time playback of 4K videos. It's not just about power, it's about precision and reliability. which are critical for professional video editors. Storage is another highlight of the Dell Precision 3660. It comes with a 2TB SSD, offering lightning-fast boot times and quick access to your files and applications. This is particularly beneficial when working with large video files, as it significantly reduces load times and improves overall efficiency. The design of the Dell Precision 3660 is both practical and professional. It offers a range of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and more, ensuring that you can connect all your peripherals without any hassle. The build quality is solid, providing durability for long-term use. However, no product is without its drawbacks. Some users have pointed out that under heavy workloads, the fans in the Dell Precision 3660 can become quite loud. This could be distracting in quieter work environments, especially during intense video rendering sessions. Overall, the Dell Precision 3660 is a robust, reliable, and highly capable machine that excels in professional video editing. It offers a great balance of performance, storage, and build quality, making it the best overall choice for serious video editors. So, which of these PCs for 4K video editing do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like. It's easier than deciding which PC for 4K video editing to buy. Subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time.